We got soup dumplings today. First bite for me. Y'all not gonna believe me. It's the best combination I done made. My lips are tingly, yes. But it's so good. Y'all, this low-key tastes like an experiment we used to make as kids. Cheers. Yo, that was full of wasabi. Y'all can have this bite. 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 Y'all, this is also my pre-workout. I'm about to go to the gym. And I also came back from Pilates this morning. Clock it. It's my last bite.